Alright, check out my tent. Just used the tarp. That's the Hilleberg Nalo 3 bug mesh from Hilleberg. I was able to just use a tarp. Looks like I'm going to have plenty of ventilation. Cut these 2 sticks. It's all nice and stretched out. So let's say when it gets windy at night, let's hope it doesn't start, flapping around. That's why I got it taut like that. You don't want too many sags. But yeah, you don't want it so tight too, so that it's deforming the tent poles. Got the taunt line hitch. Crosses over from the opposite ends, but you got it right. I mean, it'll still work either way. I used bushes over here to tie it down, that way I didn't have to pound any stakes in the ground. Same with over here. And this other bush. Like the taunt line hitches pretty much. So yeah, we're gonna get plenty of ventilation, as you can see. That should keep the condensation off of me. So all I gotta do is just blow up the air mattress and get the sleeping bag in there, and I think we're good to go for the evening. So that's what it looks like from afar back here. Okay, so it's looking better, I'm getting better at this. It's certainly taken a while to set this up. I'd like to set this up in the rain and have to do it in a real hurry. So there you have it. Another one done.